Good day everyone! I am Irma Jane Pagaura. In this video, I will be sharing what I have learned from the topic Pythagorean Triples. You can say triplets, but triples are the favored term. So to start this, let me define it first. So Pythagorean triples is derived from the Pythagorean theorem. It consists of three positive integers, a, b, and c, such that a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. These triples are represented as a, b, c. Here, a is the perpendicular, b is the base, and c is the hypotenuse of the right-angled triangle. The most known and smallest triplets are 3, 4, 5. So let's have an example. We have 3, 4, 5. By evaluating, we get 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared, and that is 9 plus 16 equals 25. Hence, 3, 4, and 5 are Pythagorean triples. I also learned about how to create a Pythagorean triples. So how to form a Pythagorean triples? As we know, the number can be an odd number or an even number. Now let us discuss how to create the Pythagorean triples. So there are two cases. So the case 1, if the number is odd. So let us assume the number be x. If x is odd, then the Pythagorean triple is equal to x. Then the second is x squared divided by 2 minus 0.5. And the third is x squared divided by 2 plus 0.5. Consider an example 7, 24, 25. Now let us discuss how to form this Pythagorean triple. X is equal to 7, which is an odd number. So the second term will be x squared divided by 2 minus 0.5, and that is 49 divided by 7 squared is equal to 49 divided by 2 minus 0.5, and that is 24.5 minus 0.5, and the answer is 24. The third term is x squared divided by 2 plus 0.5 is equal to 7 squared 49 divided by 2 plus 0.5 is equal to 24.5 plus 0.5, and that is 25. Hence, the Pythagorean triple formed is 7, 24, 25. So next is the case number 2, if the number is even. If x is even, then the Pythagorean triple is equal x, then x divided by 2 times 2 minus 1, then x divided by 2 times 2 plus 1. Let us assume an example, 16, 63, 65. Now, we will check how to form the Pythagorean triple. X is equal to 16, which is an even number. So, we have x divided by 2 times 2 minus 1, and that is 16 divided by 2 times 2 minus 1 is equal to 82 minus 1 is equal to 64 minus 1, and that is 63. Next is x divided by 2 times 2 plus 1. So, that is 16 divided by 2 times 2 plus 1. So, 16 divided by 2 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 64 plus 1, and that is 65. Thus, the Pythagorean triple formed is 16, 63, 65. Before I end this, let me share what's the importance of Pythagorean triples. So Pythagorean triples are useful for an applications because they are whole numbers that make the Pythagorean theorem true. So that was all the lessons I have learned from the Pythagorean triples. So thank you, and may God bless us all.